Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tacos Gobernador, the only way to truly experience this iconic dish. We'll dive into the essential components that make these tacos so special, focusing on the perfect blend of tender shrimp, gooey melted cheese, and a robust, savory sauce. Get ready to create a culinary masterpiece that delivers an irresistible combination of crispy texture and a deeply satisfying, cheesy filling. This recipe ensures an authentic and unforgettable taste. First, let's craft the heart of our tacos, the flavorful shrimp filling. Begin by sautéing 1 pound of peeled shrimp with finely diced white onions, minced garlic, and thinly sliced poblano peppers in 2 tablespoons of butter. Next, prepare a rich, ranchera-style sauce using 12 ounces of diced Roma tomatoes and 1/3 cup of tomato puree. Cook this vibrant sauce for about 10 minutes until it thickens beautifully. Then gently fold in your perfectly cooked shrimp. This ensures every bite is bursting with savory goodness. Now for the exciting assembly. Warm 12 6-inch corn tortillas on a griddle until they are soft and pliable. Spread a thin layer of mayonnaise, about 1/2 teaspoon, on each tortilla. Then, generously top each with 2 tablespoons of shredded melting cheese, such as Chihuahua or Oaxaca. Spoon about 1/4 cup of your delicious shrimp mixture onto 1/2 of each cheesy tortilla. Fold the tortilla in half, pressing gently, and griddle for 2 to 5 minutes per side, until golden brown and the cheese is perfectly melted. Your tacos Gobernador are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve these crispy, cheesy delights immediately to savor their incredible texture and flavor. For an extra burst of freshness, garnish each taco with a sprinkle of freshly chopped cilantro and a bright squeeze of lime juice. Don't forget to offer your favorite salsa, perhaps a vibrant salsa verde, on the side for dipping. These tacos are a true culinary treat, perfect for any occasion, and guaranteed to impress.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.